my name is Kushal Soyal and today I'm going to unbox this Airfly mouse. Actually, some keys of my smart TV remote stopped working. So I was looking for some options online and I found this Airfly mouse on noon.com. So I thought of buying it and checking it how it works. So first of all, I would like to show you what I got in this Airfly mouse box. So I got here this remote. Along with this remote, I got this USB dongle. Okay, and I got this user manual. In this box, it is written that this support Android, Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So the concept of this remote, Airfly mouse remote, or you can say wireless remote, the concept is similar to the wireless mouse which we use in our laptop. So just like the mouse, just like the wireless mouse, we connect the USB dongle into our USB port in the laptop and we start using our mouse. Okay, we just insert the batteries in the mouse and we start using it. So similar to this, here we have to insert the batteries into this remote here. Okay, it doesn't come with the batteries, so I inserted here two AAA batteries. Okay, and this is the USB dongle. I have to insert this USB dongle into the USB port of my smart TV. Okay, and then this remote will start working. There are two faces of this remote. Okay, one side is the main keys and the number keys, okay, numeric keys, and the other side we have the keyboard, the full keyboard. Okay, A B C D E F G S, English keyboard. So the benefit of this mouse is, this remote is, we can type the full keys, unlike our normal remote, right? What happens, we have to if we are using the keyboard in the TV, right, we have to go and we have to select the alphabets using the mouse. So here it's very easy to type using this remote. And the main thing is, it has a fly air mouse. So what is this air mouse? So how does this mouse work? We have to just move our hand in the air. Okay, and the mouse on the screen will also move. Okay, so this is different from the touchpad. In the touchpad, we move our fingers in the touchpad, right, and the mouse moves on the screen. Here we have to move this mouse. Okay, and the mouse cursor will move, mouse pointer will move on the screen. So let's see how we have to set up this, and I will show you some features of this. Okay, so let's see. So guys, this is a USB dongle and I'm going to insert this in the USB port of my smart TV, and then I will turn on the TV and I will show you how it works. So guys, now I have inserted the USB dongle and into the USB port of my smart TV, and I am going to switch it on now. So to switch it on, first time you have to use your original TV remote, because this wireless remote will start only after your TV is on, right? Because we are this USB dongle will get activated only when the TV is on, right? So but next time you can use the IR learning feature of this wireless remote, and you can set the power key to turn on and turn off your TV as normal IR remote. So guys, now I'm going to turn on my TV. Let's check this new remote. Here, if you see, this is a mouse key. I will press this mouse key, and if you see, I'm moving my hand and the cursor is moving on the screen. Let's go to YouTube. I can go to any video through this mouse. I can play it. I can return back, and I can search. And now here I can use this keypad to type something. So let's type something. Go melon. Okay, and enter. You can see now typing is very easy with this remote. There are many keys in this remote, and this is a universal remote, so there might be some possibilities that some of the keys will not work in your TV, but most of the keys will work, and the main keys will work. So I think it's fine. It looks good. So guys, you saw how this wireless fly mouse remote control works, and it looks very good. So far it's really good. And also this remote has one feature called IR learning, means they have provided some keys here. It can become the infrared remote control as well. For these 5 keys, they have provided 5 keys. We can set these keys using our existing TV remote. Guys, all the necessary instructions are provided in this user manual. The remote has 5 IR learning keys, and the IR learning instructions are also provided here. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you. Bye bye.